Hello and welcome back to another VanTech Tuesdays where I answer your questions in around about 5 minutes, so it's about 5 or 6 questions. So let's crack on with it. And first question is, how do you stop your waters from freezing in cold weather? We have got underslung water tanks, and obviously being outside there's no way really heating or anything's going to work it. We looked at the element that you can drop in the top of your water tank, but then people said all it really does is keep that area warm and it can still freeze towards the extremities. Obviously I don't know, but that's just information we'd read. And the other one was heater pads that you stick on the outside of the water tank, and then obviously we just basically insulated around that. So that's what we did. I think it was £65 for 2 heater pads, electrically operated, used about 1.5 amp charge rate or current an hour, and so far worked pretty well. Yeah, links below to a video I did where you can see what we've used. Next question, where do you register your van for insurance if you don't have a residential address? It's a good question. We used Van Post, and basically you just kind of like set up all your mail to go to Van Post, and you can have it that they can email you a copy of your mail that you get, but all your insurance, like motorhome insurances, health insurance, travel insurance and all, I'll accept that address. Banks accept that address and everything as well. So yeah, vanpost.co.uk I think it is. Next question is, how do you bypass the habitation electrics cutting off when you start your engine? And this is one for people with sort of pre-made panel van conversions or motorhomes. If they're using like a pre-built electrical system, as soon as you start the engine, the electrical system goes into a protective mode for some sort of EU law or something like that, where all the hab electrics shut down, like your water pump and your lights and your USB sockets, things that would be really useful if you could leave your van engine running while you get warm in the morning. They all shut off. I can't tell you how to do that because it's bypassing an EU directive. In my van I found a nice cable in the B post behind my driver's seat that connected all that, but bear in mind the same cable that connects all that charges the electrics as well, so you might want to find a kind of bypass charger, so that your van's batteries still charge, your leisure batteries are still charging when the engine's running. But other people may know of a better solution. That's all I did for mine. What's the strip over the sliding door? The strip over the sliding door on ours is an LED strip, so it lights up the area outside really good, and it also does stop drips, like kind of water from running down the roof, so it acts a little bit of a gutter, so it's pretty good. And you can find them all over eBay or Amazon. Just search for sliding door LED strip and you'll find loads. Next question is, can I hook up a folding solar panel if I've already got a roof mounted solar panel? And this is a good one, because in winter if you've got a roof panel that's fastened down like ours, and obviously solar doesn't work that well if you are kind of just seeing the sun bob along the horizon, you're not getting a lot of solar panel at all, solar charge at all. So if you get a folding solar panel like the one we tested a few months back, yes, you can connect that to your battery at the same time. We didn't have any issues with that working. It just kind of like you connected it up and that was it. And we know a couple of other people, I think Life Beyond Bricks has got one as well, and they just kind of like put it on the roof, connect it up, and that works fine too. I think it's about £100 per watts, so 100 watts is £100. 200 watt, the one that we tried, was about £200. Like I say, they're on Amazon and eBay, but I'll put a link in the video description now to our review that we did a few months back. Next question is, what gas system do you have and how long does the gas last in winter? We have an underslung 27 litre Gasset refillable system, and we run the fridge and the heating and the hot water off gas. But in actual fairness, if we run the heating off the gas, the hot water, obviously because it's a Truma combi system, I think it's the 4E that what you've got, the heating heats the water inside, kind of around each other, so we don't actually put the hot water on, we just kind of put the heating on and we get hot water. And we have the fridge running, and that lasts us Well, if it's really cold like it's been lately, about -5, that's going to last us about sort of 5 days. If it's just the fridge, it can last us 5 weeks. So the heating is a monster for eating up that LPG. Right, any questions for next week, leave them in the comments down below. Obviously these questions are from Instagram, so Gadget John on Tour on Instagram. They're from this channel on the videos, so leave a comment, and they're also via our website, which is gjot.uk. If you want to ask us a question, there's a little contact form on there. I can answer them that way. And while you're on the website, there's a page called Our Campervan, and that'll tell you all about our campervan and everything that's in there. So if you are thinking, like, you know, the heater pads and the gas system on our campervan, that's actually fully explained, and everything's all linked on our campervan page on our website. Right, I'll see you on the next one. Take care now. Bye.